Megan. As always, I hope all of you guys are doing wonderful. Today is an exciting day because I'm going to be announcing the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Accessoire winner. I'm very excited to be doing this. I do have a very active conscience, so I wanted to give you guys more of a chance at winning something. So I did include 4 $25 Starbucks gift cards. I wish I were like Oprah. I wish I were able to give all of you a Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Accessoire. The best I could do is promise you that there will definitely be more giveaways to come in the future. Giveaways obviously do not define my channel, however, they are a part of my channel. I find it's a great way to give back when I can, and it does make my spirit feel good. On that note, I would like to say thank you to each and every one of you who commented and entered. I would literally be at the most random places. I would receive your comments and receive the gratitude, and my spirit would just automatically be so uplifted. So thank you for taking the time to share all of your blessings with me. This package has been in the other room for quite some time and is ready to leave and find its new home. Again, what's included is the Louis Vuitton holiday gift bag, as well as the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Accessoire in the gifted gift box you see right there, and quite a few Louis Vuitton perfume samples. What we're going to do right now is we are going to head on into the office, which is in the other room, and we are going to find out who the 4 winners are to the $25 Starbucks gift card, as well as the winner to the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Accessoire. Let's go. All right, you guys, now it's time to have some fun. We're gonna find out who the winners are, and we're gonna find out together. We're gonna be doing it live right now, obviously. I do wanna let you guys know how I made this a very fair giveaway. It did take quite some time to get all entries in, but I do believe that this should be a fair giveaway. I believe that's what you deserve, and that's exactly what you are going to be given. So I took all entries that were received within the official giveaway video right here, as well as any bonus entries that were received in this particular video. I did mention that if you wanted to receive 2 bonus entries and you happen to have an Instagram account, to go to my giveaway post within my Instagram and tag 2 people. What I did was, for each person that did tag 2 people, I gave you 2 entries. I do want to note that some of you guys did tag people outside of this giveaway post, which is perfectly fine. But I just want to let you know that I double, triple checked all entries were received. Now, what I did with those entries was I put them in a notepad. And as you can see, there's a number attached to every name. The reason you see a number is because we're going to be using a random number generator to decipher the winners. So we can go to that now. And I think we should just start off with 4 Starbucks winners, and then we'll just end it with a bang with the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Accessoire. So we do need a maximum value right here that does represent the total amount of entries that were received, which was, let's see here. I'm so sorry, you guys. It just like jumped all the way back up on me. 2,659. So this is going to be for a $25 Starbucks gift card. Good luck, you guys. 1515. 1515 is Marie Cloutier. Cloutier? I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but you are the winner of a $25 Starbucks gift card. Big time congratulations to you. Okay. And we'll do another for a $25 Starbucks gift card. Good luck, you guys. 558. That last winner was a YouTube entry. This is going to be another YouTube entry as well. 558 is, so sorry, guys. Tanya Walker. Tanya Walker, I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but you are the winner of a $25 Starbucks gift card. Yay! Congratulations. Okay, let's do this a 3rd time. This is fun. Good luck, you guys, for the $25 Starbucks gift card. 883, that's another YouTube entry. Let's see. 883 is Kelly O'Banion. Kelly O'Banion, you are the winner of a $25 Starbucks gift card. Congratulations. All right, you guys, let's do this one last and final time. Good luck for a $25 Starbucks gift card. 2608. 2608 is, let's see. So sorry. 2608 is, this is an Instagram entry. Princess K18. Princess K18, you are the winner of a $25 Starbucks gift card. Congratulations to you. All right, so now we're gonna find out who the winner is for the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Accessoire. I do wanna say at this point of the video, like I've said in past giveaways, please do not be discouraged if you do not win, because there will definitely be more giveaways in the future like this. I enjoy doing this. It makes me happy. So again, please don't be discouraged. For now, let's leave it to fate to decide who is going to win this prize. All right, good luck, you guys. 2009. 2009 is, let's see here. Oh my gosh, I'm going slow. I'm so sorry. Anticipation. Iris 2194. This is an Instagram entry. Iris 2194, you are the winner of the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Accessoire. Yay, big time congratulations. That was a lot of fun. Let's quickly recap the winners to the $25 Starbucks gift cards. The first was a YouTube entry and her name is Marie Cloutier. Not sure how to pronounce that, but you are a winner. The next winner is another YouTube entry, Tanya Walker. The third is another YouTube entry, and she is Kelly O'Banion. The fourth is an Instagram winner, and her name is Princess K18. The winner to the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Accessoire is an Instagram entry, and her name is Iris, not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, IRIZ 2194. Big, huge congratulations to everybody that won this giveaway. I do want to be honest with you guys, as I was going through those names, I couldn't help but feel quite sad in my heart. My heart was heavy because there were quite a few entries and I just couldn't make all of you a winner. And that makes me a bit sad. But I do always try to look at the positive aspect of every situation. And the positive aspect of this situation is there definitely will be future giveaways to come. So I definitely look forward to doing more Louis Vuitton giveaways in the future that will definitely give you more of a chance to win. All right, you guys, now is the time where I'm going to completely switch gears. A lot of you guys know that I do this, from speaking about Louis Vuitton luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I'm going to make this quite brief because I know the focus on this video was for the announcement to the giveaway. I do want to go over the topic of what this entire giveaway was based on, and that is gratitude. I've said many times within my channel how important I think gratitude is. It truly unlocks the door to happiness. A lot of you guys did give gratitude towards God for your health, for your family, for certain situations that turned out your way. And I think it's very important to constantly be reminding ourselves of what we have to be grateful for to live the most happy lives possible. It's the little things that can make such a big difference. For example, to be grateful for this day and all of the moments that led up to this day, for our sight to be able to see all of the wonderful things that we're able to see. Also for the hard times in life, because they made you appreciate the good times. The lessons that we learn in life, sometimes they can be difficult, but they are essential for the development of our spirit. When we think about all the things to be grateful for, many will not even come to mind because it is very easy to take so many things for granted. Like I've said in past videos, the free gifts that God does give us to be grateful for are as endless as the stars in the sky. We truly are so very blessed. Point of the matter is, gratitude is what truly does unlock the door to happiness. So if we want to be happy, let's continue the gratitude on a daily basis. That is what I have to say on the topic of gratitude, why it's so essential to incorporate it within your life. If you happen to have any comments or questions on that topic, please do leave them in the comment section below. You know I love hearing from you guys. Also, a big, huge congratulations to all winners. Also, my active conscience is reminding me to say, please don't be discouraged if you did not win. I promise you there are more Louis Vuitton giveaways to come within my channel. I thank you guys so very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Until my next, which I am very much looking forward to, you guys take care, and I will be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.